Our valuable customer. First, you select the perfect fabric from our wide range of high-quality materials. Whether you're looking for a bold statement or a subtle texture, the choice is all yours. Next, we work together to choose a design that complements your space. From classic pleats to modern grommets, we help you pick a style that brings your vision to life. Our expert team takes precise measurements to ensure a perfect fit. The fabric is then handed over to our skilled cutting master, who meticulously cuts each piece to the exact shape and size needed. With the pieces cut, our team carefully assembles and stitches everything together. For certain fabrics, we also iron the curtains to ensure a flawless finish before they leave our workshop. The final step is the installation. We come to your home and professionally hang your new curtains, making sure every detail is perfect. The final result is a beautiful, custom-made addition to your home that you'll love for years to come.